Cooking with Nidhi. Today we are going to make ring samosa. So if you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And also smash that notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you would be the first one to get that. And please share my video and comment down below that if you want some more recipes to try. And I had to just share information that every dangerous thing like cutting or near the gas etc. are done under my parents' supervision. So now let's see the ingredients for samosa. So here I have 1.5 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of semolina, it's a small one, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, as per taste salt, and 2.5 tablespoons of oil. And here I have some water. So first we are going to add our maida to the plate, and to make our samosas crunchy, I am going to add a semolina, means rava in Hindi. And here I have ajwain. How we have to add it? We have to take like this and rub it and then add it like this. And now we are going to add salt as per taste. And now we are going to give it a mix. So here I have 2.5 tablespoons of oil. It is of room temperature. We are going to add it and we are again going to give it a mix. So after thoroughly mixing the oil, here I have some room temperature water. We are slowly going to add this water and make a very hard dough. The dough has to be harder than the dough of puri too. So guys, after mixing the dough for 5 to 6 minutes, here is a very thick dough. See. And here I use 1/4 cup of water to make this dough. And now we are going to cover it for 20 minutes. So guys, till our dough is setting for 20 minutes, we will quickly make a filling. So here are some ingredients. Here I have 4 big boiled and peeled potatoes, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can adjust it as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of Szechuan chutney, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a cup of boiled peas, some hing, and as per taste salt. So first we are going to mash our potatoes. For mashing the potato, you have a fork and now we will mash it. Let's use some magic for now. See guys, our magic worked. Our potatoes are mashed now. Now we will use the same magic to reach to the gas. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa guys, this magic really works. We are here. So now we will on our gas and put around 2 tablespoons of oil. And just to inform you that this all is done under my parents' supervision. So now we are going to add hing. We are going to add a pinch of hing and a jeera powder with a coriander powder. You can also add green chilies if you want. And now we are going to give it a mix. So guys, I forget to tell you that you have to also add half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. You can also use chopped one. Now we are going to give it a mix. So after that, we are going to add our peas into it and cook it for a minute. So after 1 minute, here our peas are done, and now we are going to add our mashed potatoes into it. Guys, after mix thoroughly, we are going to add our powders like turmeric, red chili powder, powder, garam masala, our Szechuan chutney, and as per taste, salt. After mixing the mix thoroughly, we are cook it for 3 minutes by covering it with the lid. Now we will use the same magic to let a lid come. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh wow, the lid really appeared. Now we will cook it for 3 minutes. So it has been 3 minutes. Now we will quickly remove our lid. And now we are going to give a mix. Here I have some coriander. I have washed it with salt water because of the coronavirus. And now I have not turned off the gas. I am just putting a coriander. And now we will mix it. So here I have cooked my coriander for a minute. Why I cooked it? Because of the coronavirus. And I have removed it into a bowl. And now let's return to our cooking table. 1, 2, 3. Wow! I am in the table. So now we will keep this aside to cool. And here is our dough. It has been 20 minutes. And now first we will knead our dough. After mixing the dough for a minute, we will divide our dough into small portions. So here I have made the portions. Now we will shift it aside, and here I have a rolling pin and a platform. Here we have some oil, and we will spread it so the dough doesn't stick to our platform. So now we will take a portion and we are going to roll it into a thin circle. As I am small, I couldn't just make it into a circle, so it's a wiggly shape. So now we are going to cut it into a square. I am small, so I am making small ones. Now we are going to remove our excess. And keep it aside. Now we will take our dough and put it in the edge like this. I have left some space. And we are going to make a thin line. Don't add too much, otherwise it will just ruin your ring samosa. After doing this, we are going to roll it like this. And after doing this, we are going to take a small strip, cut it along and keep it up as we are going to use it. And now we are going to cut small strips, but not the end of it, like this. After this is done, we are going to roll it. So guys, before rolling you have to apply a slurry like this. You have 1.5 tablespoon of maida plus 1.5 tablespoon of water, and we have to stick it like this. And after that we are going to roll it, and we are going to add a slurry to the ends of a samosa. Then we are going to join it, and the strip we will use now like this. And here is our ring samosa. So here guys, I have made 5 mini ones. There are more, but let's first fry them. So let's go to the gas using the same magic trick. 1, 2, 3. So now our ring samosa is done. We will just take it out. See guys, you can see the filling. Now we will take it out. there are more left, but this is it. Be with you every time. Why am I saying that? Because it's the full form of bye.